Good morning, guys. It's a new day. Currently on my way to work. I'm actually running kind of late, but yeah. On my way to work now. I'm exhausted from yesterday. Like, we got back around like 11. I'm just so tired. Waking up this morning was just long. But yeah, it's currently 9 a.m. So yeah. Anyway, see you guys when I get to work. So guys, I'm back from work now. Sorry, I'm whispering. And I'm currently at the Ritz because I booked a spa day to just relax because I'm so tired. But yeah, so I'm heading now to my appointment, and it's at 4 p.m. It's currently 3:50. So yeah, anyways, let's go.
Appointment
4
o'clock.
Am I late?
Yeah, you have to change right now, and after that I will show you.
Okay.
Where you should go.
Perfect. Thank you. Okay, I gotta change. Be right back.
And this one actually it's a high section, so this one is extra thin. So this is just water. I'm neutralizing the acid. Yeah. And machine now is done. I'm gonna use machine at the end just to finish with the product serum,
Okay.
which is full of antioxidant and the peptides. It's based on a horse chestnut.
Okay.
So it's now, as I said, looks bumpy, but all impurities are out. You're gonna feel so clean after this facial. You will see. How do you feel now? Is it burning? Is it tingling? Is it good?
No, it feels good.
Good. So now I'm gonna put a little bit of eye cream around your eyes, and now it's gonna be light massage, or actually just little padding, and more massage on your neck, shoulder, and back of the head.
Okay.
This is a serum.
What serum is this one?
This is vitamin C. It smells good. See, fruity, right?
And do I have to use a lot of serum for it to be effective?
What did you say again?
Do I have to use like a lot of serum for it to work, or like?
Serum is the best to put nighttime. Serum is a food for the skin.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. When you exfoliate your skin, when your pores are open, they're acceptable. So you put the serum. That serum doesn't sit on the top. Serum always goes in. If skin is clean, penetration is better.
Right.
So it's a waste of the products if you use a serum and you don't exfoliate your skin, because everything's sitting on impurities. You know what I mean?
Right.
So this is like a little cream, and I'm gonna massage you. So if you could just
That's disgusting.
see that for this reason, this facial is amazing. You got it right, Anna? Yeah. Am I right?
Yeah.
You're a gorgeous girl. Look at how glowing you are. Honestly,
Thank you.
You are. Don't ever think differently.
Oh, thank you.
You are.
My skin feels great.
Looks good, huh? See? No, it's actually Wait until it settles down a little bit. You're gonna feel even, or look even better. You will see. Yeah.
That was so good. Look at my hair. It's got that. Just finished my facial. It was so good. My skin feels and looks great. She did say like, you know, I would always thought my T-zone had like the problem, but apparently my cheeks are actually way worse, and my T-zone is one of the best that she's seen. Hey guys, so I just got back home now from the Ritz. I'm so tired, like I'm ready to just go back to sleep and just relax the rest of my Friday evening. But yeah, massage was good, facial was amazing. Definitely recommend, and the lady I had was really good. But yeah, anyway, if anything else happens I will vlog, but for now, thank you for watching. Just in case if this is the last time I see you guys, look how my skin is glowing. And it's not even oily, it's actually glowing. But yeah, anyways, good night, y'all. See y'all in the next vlog. Bye. And I just show you guys kind of like behind the scenes of what it takes to get ready for like shoots that I do on my blog. And yeah, and we might also just film like a fall lookbook. So I'm just doing my makeup and I've picked out my outfits. Jem, I'm vlogging. And Jem is here.
Hi guys.
Hi. So Jem is helping me take my pictures. But yeah, so I've picked out the outfits over here. I'll show them to you guys in a sec. But yeah, let me just finish my makeup. Sun is shining, which is great, but it's not like super harsh or anything because it's a bit cloudy today. So yeah, oh, that was loud. Because it's a bit cloudy, so I'm just going to finish up my makeup and then we're going to head out, find a location and take some cute pictures. Okie dokes. Right, I think we are done. Sorry? Why are you a hater? So now guys, I'm just going to go and quickly style my wig and then we can head out. But my makeup is cute, right? Like I'm glowing. So I'm done styling my hair now. Cute. So now I'm just going to pack all of the outfits into a little bag. I have these two together, this pants and the top. And I think I'm going to pair it with some nude shoes. I have these pants, green, and this top I just got. Now we're doing like a monochrome look. And I'll just kind of like, you know, divide the colors with this brown belt. Cute, right? I have this skirt paired with this white shirt that I'm wearing. So that's another look with this. This is actually a dress, but I'm going to wear it as a top. And it's kind of just like snake print. Like that. So these two together. Okay guys, so we're going to head out now and go take some pictures. Outside, and it's so windy. So windy. I'm starting to get teary-eyed. The wind has calmed down. Let's start taking pictures. Jemima, let's go. Okay, this is the first look. So cute.
DJ Marv produced it.
Second last outfit, y'all. It's so windy. Sorry, one more time. One more time, baby. What did you do? Sis is wild and I. Time to pose. Guys, V owes me like $1 billion because all this stuff that I'm doing, it's not beans. It's not beans. We spent like 10 hours now taking pictures.
Gem is a real one. Like, when you're looking for a real friend,
That's who? That me.
that's
You get me, yeah?
Is that who?
That who? That me. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my gosh, you guys. Final look. We are finally done. I'm so happy. Shout out to Jam Baby. Jam Baby got the pics in. She got my angles.
I got it right.
But yeah, guys, I'm really happy with how the pictures turned out. So I'm just going to edit everything and you see it live on your screen pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and
Give this video a thumbs up.
give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out Jemima TV and subscribe to her as well, and I'll link all of her socials in the description box. So thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.